just received this AliExpress order. It actually took about 8 days, I think, from placing the order. Not many. Well, for one, there's no labeling on it, there's no branding. Made in China, obviously. I went for the transparent ones, not the foggy. Let's see how easy is it to install. Yeah, nothing here, literally. Plain and simple. The car's a bit dirty, but this is the old indicator. Again, it's the transparent one with the orange bulb. Let's see how easy is it to remove. Let's find it easy. It's obviously very dirty. It's never been removed, so gotta clean it. In order to remove it, there's a little push button here. So if you push, I need my other hand, but yeah, pull that up and then remove it. Okay, so light has been removed. I think I'm gonna give it another clean. I've got the fanciest wipe, special mini. Look at that. Wipe. Right, couldn't be easier to connect. Click. That's it. Look at that. And here they are in action.